how you can change WhatsApp status to the old style on the latest update. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you do so, you will need to go to the updates section on the bottom left, and there you will see all the status. Now I don't have any status on my WhatsApp, so there are none, but I'll teach you guys how you can change it back to the old style. Now if you have channels and if you have followed them, what you'll need to do is you'll need to unfollow them. Now to do that, just open up a channel, tap on the three dots on the top right, and just unfollow the channel. Now after you do that, you will need to do it for all of the channels. You can also just unfollow them by long pressing on one channel and tapping on unfollow. Now do this for each and every one of the channels. And after you've unfollowed every channel, your status will go back to the old style. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.